no secret that house rates have been on the up and up, and if you're looking to take that big leap of buying your first home, but feel maybe a little discouraged in today's housing market, well, Haley's here to tell us that it doesn't really have to be that scary.
And it's really not that scary. And so historically, we are still at lower rates than we have been
Really?
Overall over the last 10 years. And
Really?
So, yeah, I was speaking with Nick Barta with Security First Financial yesterday, and we are about 1.5% higher than we were the same time last year.
Right.
But we're still historically low.
Wow.
And so overall, the concern is, yeah, we're trending up on interest rates, but it's not something to panic about and to hold off on purchasing, because it's still real estate. It's still going to bring equity and growth to you.
So does it just boil down to the obvious of what everyone thinks of? The reasons why the rates are going up is because the population's growing?
Not because the population's growing. We're in an inflation period right now, and so everything's kind of going up in costs, and I know we're feeling it in every part of our lives
True.
right now.
Yeah.
But that's kind of the reason behind the trend, is just the overall inflation that we have going up. But we're looking at, over the next year, starting to see more of a balance and start leveling out again, but it's
Really?
still not a scary thing.
So is that, that seems, when you say that, that seems exciting to hear, especially for first-time home buyers, but really anyone looking to buy a home, maybe they should hold out, or would you suggest doing it now?
I would still suggest doing it now, and so, because you can always refinance your mortgage, you can always look at bringing things down, but prices are still going to continue to rise in Colorado. And so we're sitting at about an 18% increase year after year in the values of home. And so even with the rate increase happening, you're still going to be having a huge equity increase by purchasing now.
And is there any reason to believe that, like, the rates will go down rather than just staying middle level, maybe even in the next 5 years?
You know, and in the next 5 years, it's an extreme possibility. I mean, the way that the economy is kind of spiking and hitting a middle and then bellowing a little bit, real estate's always going to be important. That's going to be the growth of your own financial stability, your own equity. But we're going to see the trends go up a little bit, go down a little bit, and kind of teeter-totter back and forth, but they're staying pretty much at the same range.
And so just from your perspective, I'm curious, what has been the maybe biggest question that you get from clients, or doubts that kind of cross their mind?
You know, I've been getting a lot of clients worried about the crisis in Ukraine affecting home purchasing.
Oh.
And really, there's no evidence to back it. There's nothing saying that what we have going on overseas is going to affect what we have here in our country and our housing. And so really it's nervousness that people see that they want to grasp for, but really talk to a real estate agent, talk to a mortgage broker. They're going to tell you the same thing. You still want to buy and get that equity building now.
Right, and that is probably the biggest takeaway that I love chatting with you guys about, is don't be fearful of buying that first home or taking that leap to at least see if you can qualify, because you could literally move in and make money.
Exactly, and that happens a lot of the time, about 80% of the time with my clients.
Wow.
They walk in 10, 20, 30,000 richer in equity day one, and that's a huge win.
Oh, there you go. Well, Haley, always not enough time, but always great information. Thank you so much. For more information, you can visit ColoradoFirstTimeHomebuyer.com, and the segment is sponsored by Colorado First Time Home Buyer.